So here we have a very fun looking flying fox, and just over this little hill is a whole bunch of ice plant and a reserve. Yep, the Horseshoe Lake Reserve. I think the red zoned land is over that way, the land that was obviously vacated and demolished after the Christchurch earthquakes of 2011. But here we have the Horseshoe Lake Reserve. I like that. The painting on the undersides of these corrugated iron sheets. Cute structures. Oh, is this all the boardwalk? Thought there'd be more. Oh, hello. Hello, pea waka waka. So this Horseshoe Lake over here, I believe originally was a section of the river, I believe the River Avon, and obviously it's an oxbow. So that's what happens when a section of a river no longer has the river flowing through it. So what I mean is, like, yeah, the ends of it will silt up, the water will no longer be actively flowing through that section, but since it's still an area of water, it basically turns a section of a river into a, well, river-shaped lake. Now, an interesting explanation for it, but anyway. So there we have a park. We have all this nice reserve around me. We're about to have a look at what's over this way.